16 divided by 100. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, these are called power of 10. To divide a whole number by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the power of 10 and move the decimal point from left to right equal. Move the decimal point from right to left equal to the number of zeros. Here number of 0 is 2, so you need to move decimal point from right to left 2 places. This is a whole number, so first decimal point will appear here, 1 plus 2 plus, so we are getting decimal 16. You can add here one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1, so 0.16 is your answer. Look, the value of numerator, that is dividend, has decreased here. You know that division means repeated subtraction and multiplication means repeated addition. In multiplication the value increased, in division the value of dividend is decreased.